Do you love soft, fluffy dough paired with rich chocolate hazelnut flavor? If your taste buds are already dancing, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Nutella rolls, a delectable treat that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Imagine this: homemade dough, a generous spread of Nutella, all rolled up and baked to perfection. But we're just scratching the surface here. Stay tuned to learn how to whip up these delicious Nutella rolls in your own kitchen. The first step in making Nutella rolls involves preparing the dough. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a packet of instant dry yeast, a 1/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of warm milk, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 egg. Start by taking a large mixing bowl and combining the flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Give them a good stir to mix them together. Next, you'll add the warm milk, melted butter, and egg. Mix these ingredients until a dough begins to form. Now it's time to knead. Whether by hand or with a mixer, knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for a soft and elastic texture. Once achieved, shape the dough into a ball and place it in a greased bowl. Cover it with a clean towel or plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place. You'll want it to double in size, which should take around 1 to 1.5 hours. Once your dough has doubled in size, you're ready for the next step, adding that delicious Nutella filling. Now that your dough is ready, it's time to roll it out and add the star of the show, Nutella. On a lightly floured surface, roll out your dough into a large rectangle about 1/4 inch thick. And here comes the fun part. Spread a generous layer of Nutella all over the dough, but be sure to leave a small border along the edges. This chocolatey spread is what makes these rolls so irresistible. Once you've spread the Nutella, start from one of the long sides and roll the dough tightly into a log. With a sharp knife, cut the log into even pieces, about 1 to 1.5 inches thick. Place these pieces in a greased baking dish, leaving a little space between each roll for them to expand. Now, cover them and let them rise again. They'll need about 30 to 45 minutes to puff up nicely. While waiting, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. When the rolls have risen and your oven is hot, it's baking time. Pop them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden brown on top. Once your rolls have cooled slightly, you can add a sweet glaze if you like, and then they're ready to be enjoyed. These Nutella rolls are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or dessert, and they're sure to bring smiles to anyone who takes a bite.